My dear viewers, how to convert benzoic acid to phenol? At first, benzene react with sodium hydroxide, product from sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate react with soda lime, that is CaO plus NaOH at the presence of heat, product from benzene. Benzene react with chlorine at the presence of ferric chloride, product from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene react with sodium hydroxide at the presence of 350 degrees centigrade temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure, product from sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide react with hydrochloric acid, product from phenol. Okay, my dear viewers. Thank you, my dear viewers.